everyone, in this video you will learn how you can enable and use OTG in your device OnePlus Nord N300. So if in this device OnePlus Nord N300 you want to enable the OTG or you want to use the OTG, it's very easy and you can do it in the few steps. So before we move toward the video, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Follow the steps, watch the video till end and you will learn how you can enable and use the OTG in your device. Let's watch it.